video. So I just did a waterfall pour, stacking my cup and using some dark blue, some light blue, some copper, and a tiny bit of garnet. I just restacked my cup in exactly the same way, in the same cup, and I'm going to use the same size canvas and use this stack to now do a tree ring pour. So let's see how that turns out. All right, just wanted to bring you in a little closer for the pour out. So we're ready to go. So stacked my cups and it looks really great. So let's just a tree ring pour straight in the middle here. I like sometimes to change directions on my pours. I'm going to change again when the white starts to come out. I'm not sure I like those little wobblies. That's because my paint is a little thicker. Here comes the white. Now remember, the last things that you pour out are going to become your design. So an important thing to do is to perfect your last bit of your pour out. First part's going to come off your canvas. Don't put the things you love in the top of your cup. All right, that might be too much. Let me use a tool and make this something I'm going to be proud of here. One more. I think I like that. I might actually go for a little bit more of the white in the middle. Not sure how it's going to come out now that I set my cup down. Let's try it and see. Ooh, it's a big glob of white. Hopefully something comes out behind that. Oh yeah, there we go. Not bad, but again, I want to mess with it. In fact, I think I'm going to try to use a nice thick stick from my paintbrush and draw some lines in here. It's called Wrecking Your Painting. You can use any pattern you want, no pattern at all. But I am loving loving. Ooh, let's just go to the end of that. Now you notice I didn't touch the middle. I already did that whenever I started. So let's go ahead and change our camera angle and get you back up to the top, and we'll do some. You see we've got it all wrecked a little bit there in the middle and all the way around the outside edges. I'm hoping this one turns out nice. Get rid of any bubbles. Have a little bit of a drip there. I don't know what I did. But I think it's going to be great. Let's try it. Now we're going to bring it heavy down this way. Awesome. I actually want to go this way. And then I'm going to just bring the rest of it down that way and then back again, because I do like that pattern that's developing there between the layers. I do want a little bit of different color other than just my white and black, or white and blue in my composition. All right. Trying to stay out of the way of the camera. Trying to bring this down, not drip on my painting with my glove, and not lose all of that. Because I like it. But I just want it on the edge. I don't want it to be in the middle for some reason. Love that one. Interesting. The blues and the copper and that little bit of red kind of turns some things into purple. Let me bring you in for a closer view. So this is our latest painting. This is a tree ring pour rect. All metallic paints. Hoping that it comes out with some wonderful sparkles when it's done drying. I kind of like that center. And the way some of the layers came up. So I hope you actually enjoyed our painting today and have a chance to try something like it in your own home or studio.